am finally filming an apartment tour, and I know that I have been holding off on recording this video for such a long time, but I finally put all the finishing touches on everything for 10 months of living here. I'm so excited to finally show you guys my home. I put so much time, effort, and love and money into making sure everything is perfect just the way I wanted it, into my dream apartment. So I hope you guys enjoy this video because I know y'all been waiting. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let's try to get this video to 100 likes because I know y'all could do it. I'm gonna have my Instagram right here for you guys so you guys can stay up to date for when I drop my new video. I know y'all been waiting for it, so let's get started. So this is what you first see when you walk into my apartment. So for the island, I keep it super simple. I don't really eat here, so I like to keep everything nice and neat at all times. So I just have these 2 acrylic chairs. I love acrylic furniture because you can see through it, so it gives the place like a bigger look. So for the top, I just have these 2 really pretty vases that have flowers at the top, and then this vase just holds these decorative little branches. So for my fridge, I don't really keep a lot on here. I just have a magnet and it says, life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass, it's about learning how to dance in the rain. And then this cute picture of me that I took in Wynwood when I had a photo shoot. And this is a post-it that my cousin left for me outside the door one time, and I thought it was super cute, so I just always leave it there. So for my stove, again, I have nothing on my counters because I hate clutter, but I just have a gray towel. For here, I just have a bouquet of flowers, a cake stand, and right now I just have donuts on it, a little jar full of cookies, and then this is a utensil holder for when I'm cooking. I just lay it here. So then coming this way, you have the sink, and I just have this white towel here for when I'm washing dishes. I just dry my hands on this. And then I have dish soap and hand soap, my roll of paper towel. Over here is a dishwasher, and then I keep this keep all type of like basket. It holds like my camera, my keys. When I'm leaving the house or when I'm coming home, I just throw what I need in there or grab whatever I need out of there. And then I have this diffuser, which I love. I got it at Marshall's. It's so cute and changes colors. I have these 2 candles. They're so cute. They're silver to match with my theme. So I absolutely love this mirror. It goes with my full glam theme, and they have this at like Z Gallery for like $700, but I got it at Homegoods. Originally it was $100, but it has a few cracks here and there, and pretty much we got it for like $75. And I just have it here propped up because this was an empty wall. So I absolutely love my kitchen. When I first moved here, I wanted to get an apartment that had my dream kitchen, you know, the white cabinets, the white countertops, and the gray aesthetic. They have really good storage. I have all these cabinets filled up. Even the island has cabinets, which is amazing. A full-size washer and dryer. If you live in an apartment, you know how much of an asset this is, so you don't have to go outside or have someone wash your clothes for you. Alright, so this is the overview of my living room. Starting off over here, my rug is from Marshall's. It's a good size rug. Honestly, I wanted a bigger one, at least one to, you know, cover like a little bit of the couch, but this is fine. So I got this ottoman off of Amazon for like $130, I think. I'm gonna try and link whatever furniture I can down below for you guys. But on top of the ottoman, I just have this tray, and I have some Chanel books, and then candles, and then a little Buddha with the control for the TV. So for my couch, I just have this pink blanket that I got at HomeGoods, and also all my pillows are from HomeGoods, except the pink one, the pink fur one. I think I got it at Ross, along with the blue one. Those 2 I definitely did get at Ross, but the rest are from HomeGoods. And then on top of my couch, I just have these 2 blue pieces. Nothing crazy, they're just blue like water art, and I got them from Etsy for like $4 each. For the TV stand, I did get it on Amazon, also link it down below. Down here, I just have some more books, a little diamond tray, and then a picture of me and my cousins, and a picture of me and my best friends from back home from New Jersey. And then over here, I just have a candle and a picture of me from when I did a shoot in Miami Design District. And of course, I have to have the blue LED lights in the background. And then for these little 3 art pieces, I made them myself. They're so easy to make, and they go with the whole full glam look. And then over there, I just have this cute little LV sign. Something that really drew me to this apartment was the floor to ceiling windows. Love floor to ceiling windows. I love natural sunlight, so not having curtains isn't a problem for me at all. So for my balcony, I wanted to keep it a really pretty summer vibe. So all of my furniture is from Amazon. It's got some orange pillows and this little pretty orange stool from Homegoods. So I just come out here and do my homework. Sometimes I eat my breakfast and dinner out here. And then when you come back inside, this is what it looks like. So I have these nightstands on each side of my bed, and again, it's from Amazon. A lot of my furniture is from Amazon. And again, with the whole acrylic aesthetic, I absolutely love it. On top, I just have this white vase where I got it from HomeGoods, and then some pink flowers, and then a Chanel book, a Fendi book, and a candle. And then I have these really pretty gray pieces on both sides of my bed, and I love how it goes with my bed. My bed is from Wayfair. It's tufted. I love this bed because it's velvet, so it's super easy to clean. For my bedding, all of my pillows is from HomeGoods. So for this nightstand, I just have a Gucci box, my purse for when I come home or I leave, I just throw it there or place it there when I come home. I have the Chanel book, and then my favorite candle. This is a sweet pomegranate one. This is probably my favorite part of my whole entire room. It's my vanity, and the mirror I got from Impressions Vanity. Yes, it is pricey, but if you're a makeup artist or you just love doing your makeup, it's 100% worth it. All I have to tell you is try getting it when there's a sale going on because it's really expensive. I got this mirror because I like how it has an on and off button, and then I just have my brushes on top, and then over here it has two adapters so you can plug in like your hair straightener or your phone charger or any. So for my vanity chair, I just have this clear chair, again going with the whole acrylic aesthetic. I just have this black throw blanket and this gray pillow. This is my mirror. It's huge. I love it. But I know everyone has this mirror, but let me tell you, do not get it. It's like $200 with tax and IKEA, and honestly, Marshalls has the same one. Make sure you do your research before you buy it. Again, I do have floor-to-ceiling windows in this place. The natural sunlight is literally beaming into your eyes every morning. But I can't complain because I like waking up early and it's super pretty, like this view, and you can see the sunset from here, so I love it. So from this view, I have both of my closets. So this is my closet. It's a full walk-in closet, and then over here, it's a smaller closet, and I just have a whole bunch of junk in there. I have all of my arts and crafts stuff, some luggages. It's just a mess. Over here, I just have these two gray art pieces. And then this is my closet. It's so big, which I love because back in my room in Jersey, I had a small ass closet, so this definitely makes up for it. And I have everything color coordinated. Up here, I just have this basket that holds all of my bathing suits, and I have a lot and it's overflowing, and I know. And then I just have my senior cap, and I just have some bags up there. So this is my bathroom. It's double sink. It's freaking huge. It has all these cabinets and it holds so much stuff. So over here I just have this vase with some flowers in it, this jewelry holder, and it just has all my jewelry, and I like leaving it here because it's easy in the morning for when I get ready. And then I have this little thing, and it just has cotton pads for when I clean my face in the morning and at night. Over here I just have this really pretty silver tray, and I just keep like my lotions, perfumes, all that. Both sides of the door I have these paintings. So this one says dream big, work hard, stay focused, and surround yourself with good people. And then this one is just like a map of the world in black and white. And this is my tub. It's freaking huge. It's so big. And then over here, I just have a shower caddy, and I have my stuff, my shampoo, my conditioner. I keep it down there because it's too big to fit up there. So this is another overview of my bedroom.